Let us begin with the search bar at the top of the panel. With this feature, you will be able to search ads based on domain, text, URL chain, and even the UTM link of a specific landing page. Let's begin. By selecting domain, you can search ads based on the domain of the ads publisher. You can do this by either typing in the exact domain of the publisher or even search for a keyword that is used in the main domain of the ads landing page. Say your competitor's website domain is clickup.com. By selecting the domain filter and typing in clickup.com, you can see all ads that are directing their prospects into clickup.com. In other words, you can see all ads that are potentially being published by ClickUp itself. In another case, I could type in a certain keyword that I'm guessing might be in the publisher's domain. I will type fashion in the search bar and also make sure that I have selected the domain from the dropdown. Now I can see ads that have the keyword fashion in their publisher's domain. By navigating into the domain tab, you can set a traffic and an age. This allows you to tell AdFlex you are looking for ads that their domain have a certain age or traffic, possibly to look for domains with more authority. Also, to make sure that the search is working flawlessly, first I sort the ads by the most popular and go to the most popular ads detail page. By scrolling down, in the URL chain section, I can see that my keyword exists in the domain of the ads landing page. Let's return to the search bar. The second item in the dropdown is text. By typing in my keyword and clicking on search, I can see ads that my keyword resides somewhere in their ads copy, including the headline and the description. Let's type in health in the bar. By clicking on search, I can see all ads that the word health exists somewhere in the ad copy. If I hold the mouse on one of the ads headline, I can see the whole description for the ad. If I look closely, I can see our keyword in the headline. The URL chain searches for keywords in any part of the link, including the domain, path, and the query string. For example, by typing in AffID, we could search for ads that are being promoted by affiliate marketers because our typed keyword, which refers to the affiliate ID of a publisher, resides in the URL chain of the ads landing page. To make sure of our findings, we can click on the ads details page, and in the URL chain section, we can check to see the keyword exists in the URL chain of the landing page. Also note that AdFlex checks for keywords in all URL chains that have been detected by AdFlex and exists in the URL chain section of the ads details page. Selecting the UTM from the dropdown helps you find a certain keyword in the UTM link of the ads landing page. AdFlex is able to detect standard UTM links and allows you to search through them. For instance, you may want to find promotions for Christmas. By selecting the UTM link and typing Christmas, you can find ads that are promoting holiday offers. Now you can gather ideas and copies for your own Christmas special offers. Fanpage category refers to the page of the ads publisher on Facebook. This way you can discover ads based on the name of the publisher's Facebook fan page. But note that you can also search ads based on a certain keyword. This means you don't have to necessarily know the name of a publisher's fan page. Say I'm looking for fan pages that are active in gaming. By selecting the fan page from the dropdown and typing in game in the search bar, I can see ads that are published by fan pages that have the word game in their name. Stay with us for the next lesson to review all the filters you can use to discover ads on Facebook, including custom and those which are exclusive only to AdFlex.